You're wasting hours every week on your iPhone and you don't even know it. In this video, you will probably learn 7 tricks built into your phone. By the end of this video, you'll save time every single day. Let's start with number 1. Trick number 1. Text replacement. How many times do you type the same thing every day? Your email, your address, I'm on my way. Your iPhone can type all of that for you with just 2 letters. Go to Settings, gives General, gives Keyboard, gives Text replacement, gives hit the plus button. Type your full phrase, then a 2-letter shortcut. From now on, typing OMO gives you I'm on my way, one trick that saves you hundreds of keystrokes a week. Trick number 2. Back tap. You can trigger shortcuts just by tapping the back of your phone twice. Screenshot, flashlight, camera, no buttons, no swiping. Go to Settings, gives Accessibility, gives Touch, gives Back tap, set double tap to screenshot, triple tap to flashlight. Try it now, it works through most cases too. This one trick saves you reaching for buttons dozens of times a day. Trick number 3. Camera level. Ever taken a photo and realized it's crooked? Your iPhone has a built-in level that shows a yellow crosshair when your camera is perfectly straight. Go to Settings, gives Camera, gives Toggle on Level. Now, when you take photos, a yellow line appears. When it turns white, your shot is perfectly level. No more tilted photos ever. Trick number 4. Reduce motion. Every time you open or close an app, your iPhone plays a fancy animation. That animation adds a tiny delay every single time. Turn on Reduce Motion, and everything becomes instant. Apps open immediately. Switching screens is instant. Go to Settings, gives Accessibility, gives Motion, gives Toggle on Reduce Motion. Your phone will feel faster the second you turn it on. Trick number 5. Live text. You can copy text from any photo on your iPhone. A screenshot, a sign, a document, a recipe. Just open the photo, tap the text icon, and select any text like you would in a message. You can even translate it instantly. Open a photo, gives tap the live text icon in the bottom right, gives highlight the text, gives copy or translate. No more manually typing out information from images. Trick number 6. Sound recognition. Your iPhone can listen for important sounds, doorbell, baby crying, smoke alarm, dog barking, and send you a visual alert when it hears one. Imagine working with headphones on and you can't hear your doorbell. Your phone tells you. Go to Settings, gives Accessibility, gives Sound recognition, gives Toggle on, gives Select your sounds. Everything stays private. It all happens on your device. Trick number 7. Attention-aware features. When you're looking at your phone, it keeps the screen on because it knows you're still reading. When a call comes in and you look at your phone, it lowers the ringtone volume automatically because it knows you can see it. Go to Settings, gives Face ID, and Passcode, gives Make sure Attention-aware features is toggled on. Your phone now knows when you're paying attention and adjusts itself. Those are 7 iPhone tricks that will save you time every single day. If you changed even 3 of these, your phone already works differently. Hit like and subscribe. I post iPhone tricks every week. Drop a comment telling me which trick surprised you the most. See you next time.